People enjoy cooking while camping, but it's a hassle to collect wood and get the fire going.
Says who? You don't need to anymore.
Oh, really?
This is Fire and Go, a portable pellet grill.
It doesn't look anything like those complicated camp stoves. Is it easy to set up? That's it?
Yep, that's simple.
I heard it uses natural wood pellets, which are super efficient and also add a charming fruity aroma to the grilled food. A wider adjustable temperature range, whether you're aiming for low-temp smoking or high-heat grilling. Fire and Go can perfectly cater to your needs. This steak looks delicious.
That's right.
But what if there's no electricity in a remote place?
It is battery powered.
Wow, that's super cool. With its compact and lightweight design, throwing this grill into your car's trunk is a breeze, allowing you to effortlessly enjoy the barbecue. Fire and Go is so easy to control. So how do you satisfy everyone's preferences?
What flavor do you prefer?
I want to smoke, bake, sear, barbecue, roast, char grill, braise. Well, actually, I want to try everything. The biggest worry when barbecuing is overdoing it. So how do you know when the food is perfectly cooked?
This temperature probe makes it super easy.
Wow, this is a must-have for anyone who loves to entertain. Wait, can its battery also charge other devices?
Yeah, very practical.
This is perfect. I don't have to worry about running out of battery anymore. Just enjoy sharing delicious food with family and friends. Also, this grill has an internal cooling system, allowing you to clean up with peace of mind. Make your next event an adventure with Exit Fire and Go. Get yours today.